to, sana matis ko.
Akong bahala. Mga loko.
Bago yung kasama mo. Saan mo na naman na ano yan? Paano mo nauto yan?
Maingay, baka mamaya marinig ka po.
Ano marinig?
Ano yun? Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Ah, di, wala.
Wala, niloloko ko lang itong si Pao. Paano kasi siya na lang walang girlfriend sa amin.
Teka. Si Pao? Siya pa mawawalan? Bro.
Oh.
Ano? Totoo? Wala?
Wala eh.
Punudo? Wala? Talaga?
Wala.
Pao ah.
Oh.
Natututo na ako sa'yo, bro. Baka siguro mas magandang hindi na tayo magkatabi.
So, hindi ka nagpapayagan ni Alex. Yan ang kasama maglalasing.
Hey! Ako! Kunin mo, Sanay! Sanay!
Mars, tatakas ako.
Kasama na lang ako.
Bawal!
So, ayun girl, high school hanggang college, magkasama tayo. So, alam na natin yung dirty little secret.
Hoy! Ano yun? Lady, ano yun? What's that? Lady, ha? Alex, oh. Ano yun?
Kasi yung dalawa ni Alex. I love
Thank
you
you.
so much, girl.
Thank you, Cody, for those beautiful words. Yan po ang maid of honor, ang best friend ng ating bride. And now, let's give it up for the best man of the groom, Mr. TJ Chato.
Hey! Make it good, bro. Make it good, bro. Make it good, bro. From the heart. From the heart. Teka yung... Thank you. Woo! Bro, first of all, lady, congratulations. Nga ba? Congratulations nga ba?
Swerte, di ba? Swerte.
Pero,
Ang kapal.
siguro ikaw i-congratulate ko muna, bro. Kasi mukhang ikaw yung sunerte. Pero, sa totoo lang, bro, ito seryoso, ah. Mahirap bumuelo, eh. Siguro, kailangan mo nang malaman kung ano yung dirty little secrets nila. Hindi. Joke lang. Ito, seryoso na talaga, sobra. From the heart, bro. Wala ka nang kawala.
Hindi naman ako tatakas.
Hindi naman siya tatakas. Hindi siya tatakas.
Ayusin mo ha. Ayusin mo.
Bro, really, I'm really happy for you, man.
Thank you.
That's the truth. You know, this has got to be the smartest, lady, take note, smartest thing you've ever done in your life. And
Thank
I've
you.
seen some of the not so smart decisions. To marry the love of your life and starting a brand new life with her.
Wow.
Diba? Isn't that the smartest thing he has ever done? Pero mind you, it's not all gonna be flowers and chocolates and all smiles. Kasi panigurado may mga pagdadaanan kayong mga problema.
Joanna, may sakit si TJ. He has early onset Alzheimer's disease.
Sasaktan ka,
Naiisip niyo pa rin siya.
I'm sorry. Just don't look at it. Please don't look at it.
I'm sorry. You know I didn't mean it. But please just look at me. You know I wouldn't do that on purpose, right? You know that wasn't me, right? Please.
mahihirapan ka. But you know, you have to be strong. Especially you. Bro, kailangan mong magpakatatag para sa asawa mo. Kasi kapag dumating na yung mga panahon na para bang gusto mo nang sumuko, yun na lang yung kakapitan nyo, yung isa't isa, tsaka yung mga alaala na pinubuo nyo pareho. Sabay. Your wife, your son, I can't think of anything greater than that. So anyway, sorry Anyway, bro, sorry, pasensya. I just want to congratulate you again.
Thank you.
And personally, I want to wish the both of you many happy years and children.
Wow!
I love you guys. I'm so happy for you both. I'm so proud of you. Guys, let's go get drunk! Yeah!